Blossom
And me, Penelope.
here, and we're on Little Paw Buds.
Yeah, little Papa.
Yeah, and we're gonna go on a trip because it's really sunny outside, as you can see, and it's even blocking my eyes.
I can't see either.
Yeah,
So we're gonna go for a walk on the road because it's beautiful. It's a beautiful place here.
okay, come on, let's go. Oh, wait. Should we bring Daisy in, or should we just leave them?
No, I think we should leave them just
Yeah.
in case they fall.
Yeah. Okay, so we're outside, and it's gonna be great fun. Am I right or am I wrong? Oh my gosh, it's so warm outside.
What direction?
Look at all the sheep.
What direction are we gonna go?
What direction? Oh my god, you scared the shiz nuggets out of me. Come on. That's our dog.
He almost gets.
Well, that's my dog anyway.
Where's the?
I don't know. I don't really quite know. If she comes back, we'll have to just... Wait, you can't close it! Okay, done! Okay, let's go. Okay, look, are we coming?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay, well...
I sort of hurt my foot, so I'm right down on the floor. No, actually, I'm just like. Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Come on, let's go. Ah, the front. Okay. Sorry, just like that. Okay, look, we're going.
It's a really nice day today. That's why I'm wearing this.
Isn't it? It looks so sunny now. I can't even see the devices thing and what it's looking at. You know what? We're just gonna wing it. Look at the roads. There's no person in that van. But we have to look right or left or right. And okay, which way are we going? I don't know. Which way do you think we should go? Okay. Oh wait. It's a dead end.
Yeah, I know that.
I don't know.
I don't have a piggyback race.
What? No, wait. Come on, stop. And scooters, we can go on the scooters. Scooters, yay! Where are you going? She's a crazy one. Oh my god, it's amazing! Look at that, guys! Yeah! Let's go!
Okay, come on, let's go. Let's see what's inside.
Where did Izzy go anyway? I don't know, she might have died, but I hope she doesn't die or she just died.
This is my bike. This is my bike.
It actually really is my bike.
Okay, so where's the bike that I was gonna go on? Oh, look, there's a dog here. There's a dog here.
In green. There's red. Where's number?
Number 2.
Maybe he's on the road. Maybe remember he got caught the other day in the field? Maybe he went back there again.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe we should go check there on our walk. Wait. Wait.
So here's the thing here.
Okay, come on, hop on. Wait. What? Will you? Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, hold on. Ready?
Let's go.
Yay!
I wonder if wow! I can fly!
It's a flying tricycle!
No, I fell off!
No.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go now. Gotta look left and right. I don't see any cars. Ready?
Let's go!
Here we go.
Woo! They're going! You lost control!
I don't think I'm that good at controlling it.
Well, we already did, but again. Okay, let's go. This is great fun. Totally. Wow, this is actually quite fun. Look at all the lands. It's too fast. I want to stop. Wait, is there a car behind us? Oh no, the battery's dead. The battery's gonna die. It's on 20% battery, and we need to go back up and end the video now. But we can do it. We can do it in the cart. Okay, come on, quick. You need to like end the video now because my battery's like dead. It's gonna die. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to give this video a big